Hi, I'm Jen. Welcome to Qigong Shorts. These are good if you are short on time, energy, willpower, or if a full practice is just not accessible to you right now. So we're going to take a look at the healing sounds. There's another video on that in which we vocalize the healing sounds, which helps to expel more stuck physical energy. But when we whisper them, as we'll do in this practice, that helps to expel emotional energy from the body. What we're going to do is, there'll be no movement for this one, just breathing and exhaling, making a whispered sound. And we'll repeat that sound for each organ system 3 times before taking a little pause and moving on to the next one. So I'm going to start with the lungs and the metal element. And from here we expel the emotions of grief, sadness and depression. We're going to take an inhale, then exhale, making a S sound, so S, 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 S. I'm going to do that 3 times. So inhale, just pause, take some deep slow breaths in and out through the nose. Now if your sounds aren't as long as mine, that's just fine. Just exhale and make the sound until we run out of air. And if that's shorter or longer than what I'm doing, it's all good. I'm going to move on to the kidneys and the water element. And from this organ system, we expel fear. So I'm going to inhale and then make a choo sound, which is like C-H-O-O-O. I'm going to repeat that 3 times. So inhale. Pause here for a moment, breathing in and out through the nose. Try and see if you can deepen your breaths and slow them down a bit. And we're going to move on to the liver now and the wood element. And from here we expel anger and stress. So we're going to make a shh sound for this, like an angry librarian. So we're going to repeat that 3 times. So inhale. Pause for a moment here. Keep breathing though, don't pause breathing, that's not a good idea generally. We're going to move on to the heart next, which is the fire element. And with this sound, which is H-A-A-A-A, or we expel a kind of manic, frenetic, overly energized energy. I'm going to do that again 3 times. So inhale. Was that 3 times? I tuned out there. It might have been 4 times. You want to do it 3 times. Anyway, pause for a minute and we're going to move on to the spleen and the earth element. And from here we expel anxiety and rumination, which is something I like to do all of the time, constantly think about things. So the sound that we make for this is H-O-O-O, or it's kind of a guttural sound, maybe a bit more in the back of your throat. So again, 3 times. Again, I don't know how many times that was. This is relaxing me to the point where I'm no longer on the planet, which is fine. The next healing sound is a H-E-E-E sound, or this is for the triple burner or triple warmer, which doesn't have an exact correlate in Western medicine, but it's essentially harmonizing all of your energy centers and sort of bringing full body kind of integration. So again, 3 times, H-E-E-E. Pause for a minute, continue with some deep, slow breaths in and out through the abdomen. Just notice how you feel. Do you feel any different from when you started? Do you feel relaxed? You shouldn't feel more stressed out, but you might. 99.9% sure that you won't though. But just, maybe you notice no difference. Anything that you notice is valid. And this can be really good if you're getting in a flap about something, if you're getting stressed out, if you've had an argument with someone, just feeling a bit low. It can be a good thing to do to help to release release those feelings out of your body, so that you don't carry them around and have them make you feel unwell. So, see you on another Qigong short.